33 Types of Popular Portulaca Pictorial Guide. Portulaca, commonly known as purslane, is a genus of succulent plants that is native to many parts of the world, including Africa, South America, and Asia. One of the most striking features of the Portulaca plant is its flowers. The blooms come in a range of colors, including pink, yellow, orange, and red. Portulaca is a hardy plant that is easy to grow and care for. The plant is drought-tolerant and does not require frequent watering, making it an ideal choice for gardeners in arid climates. Portulaca grandiflora, Portulaca oleracea, Portulaca umbraticola, Portulaca pilosa, Portulaca bicolor, Portulaca rubricalis, Portulaca halomoides, Portulaca villosa, Portulaca amilis, Portulaca mundula. Overall, Portulaca is a versatile and useful plant that is valued for its beauty, nutrition, and medicinal properties. Whether you are a gardener, a cook, or simply someone who appreciates the natural world, this plant is definitely worth getting to know. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.